It's really no time for long talk. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 4 strategies that got me my first 1000 subscribers here on YouTube. So if you're a YouTuber looking forward to getting your first 1000 subscribers so that you can monetize on this platform, this video is for you because these strategies are working effectively. Now let me tell you something in case you do not know. In order for you to monetize on this platform, you need any of these things I am going to mention. Either your first 1000 subscribers and your 4000 watch time, or your 500 subscribers and your 3000 watch time, or your 10 million views. And all of these you need to get within the period of 365 days, exception for the 10 million views, which you are to get within the period of 3 months, that is 90 days. Now the first and most effective way for you to get your first 1000 subscribers is you posting shorts. Start posting shorts. I know that if you scroll through the street of YouTube, you hear some content creators tell you that you shouldn't post shorts. If you post shorts, short is going to ruin your channel. Yes, to a very large extent, short has the tendency of ruining your channel, but I am going to tell you how you're going to post shorts and get effective results. Now, for you to post short and get effective results, your short must be in synergy with your long form content. Now, in a situation where you're talking about how to make money online, then your short is all about entertainment, footballs, and all of that. You will definitely get subscribers, but the truth of the matter is this: the subscribers that you get with that kind of short will not watch your long form content. And if I were you, I would aim at monetizing my YouTube channel with my long form content instead of monetizing with short form content. This is because your long form content have the ability of making more revenue, giving you more revenue when compared to your short form content. That's notwithstanding, I know some persons here are like, my short form content and my long form content do not have anything in synergy. Should I go ahead to delete them? If you have so much views on your short form content, do not go ahead to delete them. This is what you should do. Instead of you to delete those short form content that are doing so well on your YouTube channel, the best thing for you to do is for you to link your long form content to that short form content that is performing perfectly well on your YouTube channel. Now, once you link your long form content to your short form content, once someone watches your short form content, they might click on your long form content to watch it, because once you link it, the person might just click on it to come and watch, and that will get you more views, more watch time, and more revenue if you are monetized. Now, the second thing that you need to do in order for you to get more subscribers like ASAP is you going live. In my other video, I taught you how to schedule your live stream just for subscribers. So, if your live stream is interesting enough, as people are joining, as people are watching, before they can participate in your live stream, they will have to subscribe first. Now, if you do not know how to schedule your live stream just for your subscribers only, let me know in the comments. I can make an updated video showing you how to do this so that once someone comes to your live stream, before they can say anything in the comments, they will have to subscribe. And once they subscribe, believe me, the tendency of them unsubscribing is very slim, because they might not even remember to unsubscribe, and that is a bonus for you. Now, the third thing that you have to do in order for you to get more subscribers is for you to leverage on creating good content. Let me shock you guys. One particular video on YouTube can get you over 1000 subscribers. I know you might not believe this, but trust me, in a situation where you have a viral video, one viral video is capable of getting you over 10,000 subscribers, over 5,000 subscribers, over 2,000 subscribers. It all depends on how that video is performing on your channel. I have seen some creators on this platform that just one video transformed everything about their channel. So, what are you waiting for? Keep posting, keep uploading quality content. Once it goes viral, that one video can get you not just subscribers but watch time as well. That is why you see some persons, once they have one viral video, the next thing you see them do is them apply for monetization, because this viral video did not just give them subscribers, it also gave them watch time as well. Now, the fourth thing that you should do in order for you to get more subscribers is for you to leverage on comment section. Now, I like saying this and I'll keep saying it over and over again. If you want to use this particular method, like making use of people's comment section, please ensure that you do not just leverage on any kind of channel. Ensure that the channel that you'll be commenting in their comment section, that it is a channel that is similar, that is doing something similar to what you do, so that once you drop a comment, the people that will subscribe to your own YouTube channel are people who have been watching that particular creator. So because they've been watching that particular creator and you create similar content with that creator, the day you upload yours and now they have subscribed, one of those days your thumbnail might be attractive to them, and the tendency of them clicking on your thumbnail to watch your video is very, very high. Guys, getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is easy. Getting your watch time is easy. But you know what? In all of this, I'll just tell you that whatever you're gonna do, try as much as you can to get subscribers organically. Why I am saying this is because if you go through the streets of YouTube, you will see some creators with 14,000 subscribers, with 50,000 subscribers, 40,000 subscribers, but once they upload a video, you see them have like 20 views, 30 views, 40 views. Please get your subscribers organically, so that once you monetize, you have people that watch your video. What is the point of getting plenty subscribers yet they are not watching your videos? So please, what should be at the back of your mind should be you getting subscribers organically. Do not just rush for subscribers. YouTube does not pay for the numbers of subscribers that you have, so it is best you grow organically. Even if it will take you 3 months, 4 months, or even 6 months, you will still get there, as long as you are doing the right thing here on YouTube. So please, as you're vibing, vibe the right way. So if you love what I do, leave it in the comments. Tell me what you do in the comments. I will as well subscribe to your YouTube channel. Please guys, do not subscribe to anybody's YouTube channel in the comments if you do not genuinely love what they do. Because why I am saying if you do not genuinely love what they do, I want you to be watching their videos after now. It shouldn't just be you subscribing, off you go. So the person will just be having subscribers that are not watching their content. Guys, let me know what you do in the comments. Let me know your niche in the comments, because I personally will subscribe to your YouTube channel if I love what you do. I'll be sincere. Let's be sincere to each other, guys. Let's vibe in the comments. I personally, I am in. Now please, before you go ahead to vibe, let's do it the right way, so that YouTube will not remove all those subscriptions. So the right way for you to vibe is you watching a video first before going ahead to subscribe. Now, in a situation where you get to watch a video and you subscribe, the subscription will stay. But in a situation where you get to subscribe, there you go, without even watching a video, in less than 24 hours, YouTube will remove all those subscriptions. I am talking from experience here. So do not say I did not tell you. I have just told you. Let's vibe the right way. Let's support each other the right way. Let's start in my comment section, because I personally, I am in. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.